Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete your ChatGPT account. So first you need to open the sidebar right here and then tap on the three dots next to your name and go to settings, then go to data controls, and here you see delete account and a button delete. So you can tap on it. It does not delete your account already. So it gives a confirmation message. It is permanent. You cannot reuse the email or phone number, and all your data will be removed, and IPA access will also be deleted if you have access to ChatGPT IPA. So just tap on this button right here and it will be deleted. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.